I just brought the car in and they handled it all the way from start to finish. So we interact with a lot of people because he's been so good to us and he's done such an amazing job on our vehicles. I mean, it's not hard to promote him or pass his name on to other people when they're looking for that kind of service. Yeah, it was a back panel, but I mean, they had to take everything off and match paint. And I had an unusual color of paint on my car, so it took some work to make sure that everything blended. And when it was done, nobody could tell the difference.